Wolf here, and today we're gonna dwell into the depths of hell with this god-awful motherfucking movie, Howling 3. This movie is the biggest motherfucking piece of bullshit that I've ever seen, or basically one of them. I can't believe that this movie exists. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a werewolf movie, and I fucking love werewolf movies. Like, the original Howling, Underworld, The Wolf Man, American Werewolf in London, Blood and Chocolate, even though that had nothing to do with the book at all, I still like the movie, even though it was like 100% different than the book. This movie is so horrible, it's a disgrace to the werewolf genre. I mean it. It's not even scary, it's more of a comedy, but it fails in every single way. I bought this movie for 99 cents, hoping that possibly this could be somewhat good, but what this movie contains is undescribably bad. Like, this is fucking horrible. Now, I'm gonna show you a few clips, and you could decide for yourself how motherfucking bad this movie is.
Jesus.
Jesus? Yeah, Jesus. More like Jesus, I can't believe how motherfucking fake that looks.
Jesus.
Are you receiving?
Yes. I get a vibration. Get an image.
How are you feeling, big boy? Can I do anything for you? God damn! What the hell happened to you?
Well, instead of standing there making stupid, sarcastic remarks, how about you just run the fuck out of there? Oh my god, I can't believe that. That has to be the worst werewolf I've ever seen. Oh my god, that is so bad. Oh god. Yeah, kill her, kill the bitch, yeah!
Like, holy hell, like, seriously, this movie is so bad. And I can't believe that some critics actually like this. Like, one of the people wrote this from the New York Daily News wrote, "It's my kind of horror film." How is this even horror? This is not even close to horror at all. This is freaking like a bad comedy film. And like, what's really, really bad is that they couldn't get enough good reviews for this movie that they even cut one of the reviews off. It says right here, if you see only one werewolf movie this year, ... New York Times. Wow, they could not finish the review. I bet what the review actually said, if you see only one werewolf movie this year, don't see this one because it's motherfucking bullshit. Now this movie does not deserve to be in existence anymore. It deserves to be motherfucking destroyed. This movie is gonna go back to the depths of hell. Bullshit. Hey man, just trying to destroy this piece of shit movie.
What movie?
Howling 3.
Oh yeah, that's really bad, man.
Hey, what's with that piece of wood you have?
I don't know, I think it's gonna carve it, but hey! Let's play some baseball!
This is before we're gonna burn it, and this is what's left of this video cassette. It's not actually the Howling, but yeah.
Are you supposed to burn it? Like, aren't
Yeah.
your mom gonna get mad?
Well,
Now you're playing with fire.
Well,
And
don't
two little sisters.